Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best and you're welcome to Onye Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, today is the beginning of a fresh lesson, a fresh chapter, okay? Now we are learning on Signale di Divieto. We are through with Signale di Pericolo, okay? Now we are in Signale di Divieto. So we've seen all the signs of Divieto, their meaning, and who they're actually referring to, okay? So do not miss out on any of these videos, okay? If you have not seen our part 1, our chapter 1 and chapter 2 on Strada and Pericolo, please do it to go back to our previous video and watch. It is not good to start halfway so that you get an understanding of what it actually is before starting quiz, okay? You need to know the roots so that you don't get confused along the line. Okay, guys, if you have not shared my video at all, please do it to share to your family and friends. It's very, very vital because this Patente B is rarely being translated in English. You will not even find it in their platform. Now, I mean that within ourselves, it's rarely being translated, okay? It's not much. Okay, please do it to share it. Let them know that it is actually being translated and it is useful for everyone. It is important that we should have our Patente B, okay? It's easy and it's easy stress, okay, and makes works faster. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Now, this is Divieto di Transito. Guys, if you see an opportunity like this, please do where to grab it. Do where to grab the opportunity. It is not translated in English, either in your school or in the exam. It is not. So when you see somebody explaining, do not miss out on any chapters because I will not go back to that same chapter to explain to you. This is a goal. If you set it as a goal, you will get it right, okay? Except you're just using to catch fun or pass time. That's fine. But if it is a goal, do not miss out. Okay, Signale di Divieto, what are they? Now, when you see the sign, you know them by their shape, remember. You know signs by their shape, their names, their background, okay, their colors. You know them. È un segnale divieto e vieta il transito a tutti i veicoli. Now, this is divieto di transito. That's the name, divieto di transito. It forbids all vehicles, okay, from entering. Quindi la circolazione in entrambi i sensi, in both entrances, okay? In both entrances, it forbids vehicles from entering. Vale 24 ore su 24 ore, ma può essere validata limitata nel tempo indicata in un pannello indicativo. Now, if you see the sign, it's valid for 24 hours. Now, it can be valid for a limited time. In that kind of case, it will be indicated in another pannello indicativo that you see underneath the sign. You see it below the sign, telling you the particular time in which it valids for. It can be in that valid for some time, but in that case, you see another pannello. It is called pannello integrativo. You see it underneath the sign, telling you the time that is being valid for, okay? È posto su entrambi gli accessi della strada. You find it at the entrance of the road. Vale anche per i veicoli sprovvisti in motore. It also values for vehicles that is without an engine. Esempio, biciclette. Example, bicycles. E per le auto elettriche, it's also valid for electric vehicles. Ma non per i pedoni, but not for pedoni, those on foot, no. Non è vero che consente di entrare nella strada per la sosta o per effettuare operazioni di carico e scarico. Now, it is not true that it consents, that it allows the entrance, okay, of that road. It not allow you to park. It not allow you to carry operations like maybe you want to offload or upload goods, okay? No offloading goods and no uploading goods into the vehicle. It does not consent, it does not allow. You can park, okay? Okay, that's for Divieto di Transito. Now, this is divieto di transito per autotreni ed autoarticolati. Now, we are not seeing just this sign, just like the first one I showed you, it was alone. Now, we're not seeing it alone. We are seeing it with another pannello integrativo. This time, it is referring to these vehicles. Whatever vehicles that is being drawn on it with that pannello integrativo, this one you're seeing here, it is referring, this divieto is referring to that vehicles. So this is auto training and auto articulati. So for example, you find a bike here instead of these two vehicles, it is referring to bikes alone. It is referring to either motorcycles alone, or if you see bicycle, it is referring to bicycles alone. Okay, it is referring to the particular photo that is being drawn in it, telling you I am talking to this category of vehicles, of people. Ok. Divieto di transito, this time for autotreni ed autoarticolati. È un segnale di divieto e vieta il transito alle categorie di veicoli indicate in figura, in particolare autotreni ed autoarticolati. Now, this forbids the category of vehicle that is being indicated in it. In this situation, it forbids autotreni ed autoarticolati. È posto su entrambi gli accessi della strada. It is posted at the entrance of that road. That's for divieto di transito for those two vehicles. Okay. Now we have Signale di divieto, another one. And most of us see this sign in our city, okay? Senso vietato. We see it in our city. Now, what the sign is, you're going to know. It says, un segnale di divieto e vieta. Now, the name of this sign, remember, is senso vietato. È un segnale di divieto e vieta a tutti i veicoli di entrare in una strada accessibile invece da altre parti, quindi una strada a senso unico. Now, on seeing this sign, it forbids you, on seeing it forbids you entrance into this road, because this road is a one-way road, meaning that there are other vehicles coming from the opposite entrance, okay, of this particular road. You cannot enter because this road is a one-way. What is one-way? Meaning that only one diversion of vehicles are allowed. So, for example, you're seeing the sign. Just have it in mind that other vehicles are exiting from that road. On seeing this sign, you cannot enter. Other vehicles from the other direction, they are coming from this road. It is one way. Ok, vale 24 ore su 24 ore, quindi anche nelle ore notturne. Now, it valid for 24 hours, also at night. Night is included, not excluded, please. It is included also at night. Vale anche per i veicoli sprovvisti di motore e per i taxi. Now, this sign valid for even vehicles that are without engines. The word sprovvisti means without. You know, I do make pilot videos of all these words and their meaning. I think it's been long I did that video. I'll try to do another one as soon as I can. Now, it says it's valid for also vehicles without engine and also for taxi. Okay, guys? Also for taxi. So, this is senso vietato. The one we did is still divieto di transito per these vehicles that is being indicated, autotreni ed autoarticolati. And the first one, in general, they just explain the meaning of this sign to you, divieto di transito. Okay? Now, you're going to find this sign with different things, maybe time, telling you the particular time that is being, that this divieto is functioning, the particular time, maybe the particular vehicles that is referring to as well. It's going to indicate. Most times you see motorcycles in it telling you this motorcycle is not allowed in this road. Sometimes you see veicoli a braccia. We are going to come to those ones. I'm making a video listing them and telling you what it actually means. So let me not summarize it in this video. Okay, I'll be doing a video for all of them. I just brought out 3 of these to show you what it actually means. So watch out for more videos coming on Signale the Divieto. Okay, thank you for watching. If you love my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not followed, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Turn on the notification bell as well so that anytime I post a video, you'll be notified. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.